Here's how to fix the sound on your iPhone if the speaker is too quiet. First, go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility, then scroll down to Touch. At the bottom, select Call Routing and set it to Automatic instead of Bluetooth or speaker. Next, go back to the Accessibility menu, scroll to Hearing Devices, and make sure hearing aid compatibility is turned off unless you're using a hearing aid. Now go back to the main settings screen, tap on Sounds and Haptics, and scroll down to Headphone Safety. Ensure that Reduce Loud Sounds is either off or turned up, as this could be limiting your iPhone's volume. Next, make sure your ringtones and alert volume is set to the maximum, and swipe down from the top right of your screen to adjust the volume there as well. After all that, go back to Settings, tap General, and scroll down to tap Shut Down. Turning off your phone and restarting it can often resolve bugs or glitches, including speaker issues. Once the phone restarts, check for any physical obstructions. If you have a case or screen protector, try removing them. If the speaker is clogged with debris, gently clean it using a toothpick or a similar tool. If the volume still isn't improved, you might need to take your phone to Apple. They can run diagnostics to check for any hardware problems with the speakers and possibly replace them if needed. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.